Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix file EFI Microsoft Boot BCD error. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD edit, find boot drive and Windows installed drive. In my CAE boot drive is EFI and Windows installed drive is C. Type /fix MBR. Type /fix boot. If any error in this command, use following command: bootsec /NT60 SYS. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. Type list volume. Select your system volume. In my case, system volume is 2. Type ren assigned drive letter colan /EFI /Microsoft /boot /BCD BCD32.old. /rebuild BCD. BCD boot Windows installed drive letter colan /Windows /S assigned drive letter colan /F all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.